Morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at home. This is Nisha Dheer. I am your EVS teacher. This is your EVS book. The name of the book is The Greenhouse. In this book, you will learn so many chapters, but today I will explain you the first chapter, that is Me and My Body. On the very first page, there are some fill-ups related to yourself. So, dear students, you have to do this work by yourself. I will explain you the parts of our body. Our body is made up of different parts and organs. We use these parts to do different things. All these parts of our body work together. Some of these parts can be seen, whereas some cannot be seen. Dear students, हमारी body different parts और organ से बनी हुई होती है और हम इन different parts को different activities करने के लिए use करते हैं. In our body, we have some external body parts and some internal body parts. Firstly, I will explain you the external body parts. What are external body parts? External body parts are present outside the body and we can see them. Our external body parts are very useful. Hands, legs, face, ears, etc. are some external body parts. We use hands to do many activities such as holding, carrying, writing and cooking. We use our legs to walk, run, jump and kick. I will show you the external body parts. These are some external body parts. Here, eyes. We have two eyes. Our eyes help us to see. Nose. Our nose help us to smell and also help us to breathe. Shoulder, elbow, arm, fingers. We have 10 fingers. Forehead, ears. We have 2 ears and our ears help us to hear. Mouth. We eat with our mouth. Teeth, neck, chest, hand. We use hands to do many activities such as holding, writing, cooking. Legs. We use our legs to walk, run, jump and kick. Knee, foot. We have 2 foot. All these parts are known as external body parts and these parts are present outside the body and we can see them. Now I will explain you the internal body parts. What are internal body parts? Internal body parts are present inside the body and cannot be seen. There are many internal body organs and each one play an important role. Brain, heart, lungs, stomach, etc. are some internal body parts. Let us now talk about some internal body organs and how they are useful. These are some internal body parts: brain, heart, lungs, stomach. Let us now talk about some important internal body organs and how they are useful. The first one is brain. Brain is our internal organ that lies inside the head. It helps us to think, learn and remember things. And brain is the control center of our body. And the second one is heart. Heart is an important organ. It pumps blood to all the parts of our body. Dear students, if you place your hand on your chest, you will feel something beating. This is your heart. And the third one is lungs. Pair of lungs lies in the chest. There are 2 lungs. Our lungs help us to breathe. And the fourth one is stomach. Our stomach helps us in the digestion of food. Food gives us energy. Next one is bones and muscles. Dear students, do you know what our body is made up of? Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones and muscles are covered by the skin. Do you know there are 206 bones in our body and there are more than 500 muscles in our body? So I think the concept is clear that our body is made up of different parts and organs. In our body we have some external body parts and some internal body parts. In external body parts are present outside the body and we can see them, and internal body parts, what are internal body parts? Internal body parts are present inside the body and we cannot see them. The next topic is sense organs. I will explain you the sense organs. In our body we have 5 sense organs. Dear students, do you know how we know what is happening around us? We have 5 ways to know the things. They are known as senses. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the 5 sense organs. These 5 sense organs help us to feel things around us. First one is eyes. Our eyes help us to see. We can see with our eyes. We also see colors and shapes and size with our eyes. Ears. Our ears help us to hear. We can hear soft and loud music with the help of our ears. Our tongue help us to taste food. We can taste sweet, salt, bitter as well as spicy things with our tongue. Next one is nose. Our nose helps us to smell. It also helps us to breathe. Next one is skin. Our skin helps us to feel. The skin is the largest sense organs. The skin helps us to feel. We can feel hot and cold. We can feel soft and hard. We can also feel sharp and blunt things with the help of our skin. So eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the 5 sense organs. These 5 sense organs help us to know what is happening around us. The next topic is feelings. Sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel angry, sometimes we feel scared. Happy, sad, angry and scared are feelings. There are many other feelings we have. It is fine to have different feelings at the different times. However, always remember that it is better to be happy than angry. Dear students, sometimes हम हैप्पी फील करते हैं, समटाइम्स सैड फील करते हैं, समटाइम्स एंग्री फील करते हैं, समटाइम्स स्केयर्ड फील करते हैं. तो हर एक पर्सन की अलग अलग फीलिंग्स होती हैं, अलग टाइम पे हमारी डिफरेंट फीलिंग्स होती हैं, बट हमें ऑलवेज हैप्पी रहना चाहिए. So the next topic is how do we take care of our body. There are some ways in which we can take care of our body. ब्रश योर टीथ ट्विस अ डे टू मेक देम स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको अपने जो टीथ हैं वो डेली 2 टाइम्स ब्रश करने चाहिए. अगर हम 2 टाइम्स ब्रश करेंगे तो हमारे टीथ जो हैं वो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेंगे. ब्लो योर नोज व्हाइल टेकिंग बाथ टू कीप इट क्लीन. ईट हेल्दी फूड कंप्राइजिंग फ्रेश फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. ऑलवेज रीड और स्टडी अंडर प्रॉपर लाइट्स. हमें प्रॉपर लाइट में स्टडी करनी चाहिए. अगर हमारे पास प्रॉपर लाइट नहीं होगी तो हमारी आइज़ पे इफ़ेक्ट पड़ेगा, हमारी आई साइट जो है वो वीक हो जाएगी. तो हमें प्रॉपर लाइट में स्टडी करनी चाहिए. बाथ एवरी डे विद सोप एंड वाटर. दिस हेल्प्स टू कीप जर्म्स एंड डर्ट अवे. Do not watch television from too close. Also, watching television for a long time is harmful for our body. I think all the concepts are clear. Today we learn about our body parts and how they are useful to our body. In our body we have some external body parts and some internal body parts. We also learn about the sense organs. These sense organs help us to know what is happening around us. Also we learn about the feelings, and also we learn how do we take care of our body. So now I think all the concepts are clear. On the basis of these concepts which are explained today, now I will explain you the back exercise. The first question is tick the correct answer. And the first question is hands help us to, and the options are catch, pick, hold, all of these. Okay, which is the correct answer? All of these. We help our hands help us to catch, pick, hold the things. And the second question is with our legs and foot we can dash, and the options are eat, kick a ball, cut, cook, and the correct one is kick a ball. With our leg and foot we can kick a ball. The third question is which of these is not a sense organ, and the options are skin, hand, nose, tongue. Which is the correct option? Hand. Hand is not the sense organs. Next question is which of these help us in breathing? The options are hands, lungs, eyes, ears. Okay, which part of our body help us to breathe? Our lungs help us to breathe. And the correct answer is lungs. Next question is which organ pumps blood in our body? And the options are stomach, heart, nose, and brain. Which is the correct answer? Heart. Our heart pumps blood in our body. The next topic is circle the odd one out, and the options are apple, mango, cabbage, grapes. अब आपने यहाँ पे odd one को circle करना है. तो apple, mango, grapes are the fruits, but cabbage is a vegetable. So cabbage is a odd one out. So circle it. Next is hands, legs, ears, brain. Hands, legs, ears, these all are the external body parts, but the brain is the internal body part, so it is different from these parts. So circle it. Circle the brain. Next is stomach, brain, nose, and lungs. In this, stomach, brain, and lungs are the internal body parts, but the nose is the external body part. So nose is odd one, so circle it. Next is ears, nose, eyes, teeth. Eyes, nose, ears are the sense organs, but teeth is our, so that's why teeth are odd one, and circle teeth. Next, think, breathe, remember, learn. We can learn, think, or remember things by using our brain, but we can breathe with the help of lungs. So breathing is a different, and circle it. Bathing, eating junk food, brushing teeth, eating fruits. In this, bathing, brushing teeth, eating foods, these are all good habits, but eating junk food is a bad habit, so it is different. So circle it. Next is question answer. The first question is what are external body parts? As I already explained you the external body parts, you can write here the name of the external body parts like eyes, ears, nose, etc. These are our external body parts. And the second question is what are internal body parts? Internal body parts are brain, heart, lungs, etc. Third question is what is the important to watch? Why it is important to watch television from a safe distance? And the answer is because it is safe for eyes. Fourth question is how many sense organs are there in our body? There are 5 sense organs in our body. Next question is name the sense organs and draw them. We have 5 sense organs like eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Next is fill in the blanks. Dash controls the whole body. Our brain controls the whole body. Second, the dash pumps blood to all parts. Our heart pumps blood to all parts. Third, our dash help us to breathe. Our lungs help us to breathe. Next, our dash helps us to digest food. Our stomach help us to digest food. Next one is our body is made up of different dash. Our body is made up of different organs. Next is matching. There are some organs and there are some functions. You will match the organs with their functions. First one is skin. Our skin help us to touch. Eyes. Eyes help us to see. So match the eye with sight. Eyes for sight. Tongue. Our tongue help us to taste. So match tongue with the taste. Ears. Our ears help us to hearing. Stomach. Our stomach help us to digest the food. I think all the concepts are clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.